Short on time for lunch prep? This quick and easy office lunchbox recipe is perfect for busy individuals. Packed with protein and nutrients from chicken breast and broccoli, this meal will fuel you through the afternoon. Healthy office lunchbox, grilled chicken, broccoli, and tips. With just a few simple steps, you'll have a super fast and delicious office lunchbox. Marinate the chicken with honey and spices for tender and flavorful meat. Boil the broccoli until it's just tender. In just a few minutes, you'll have a lunchbox full of nutrients. To make the dish more appealing, you can squeeze a little lemon juice over the grilled chicken. With this lunchbox, you'll have an energetic and productive afternoon. What are you waiting for? Try it now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support me.